Hey, what's up guys, and welcome back to another brand new video. As always, it's an epic one. Finally, iPhone launched iPhone 9, which he called iPhone SE 2020. The question is, how Apple made iPhone 9? Apple made iPhone 9 by comparing iPhone 11 and iPhone 7 because the shape of iPhone 9 is look like iPhone 7, but the features is totally look like iPhone 11. The screen size of iPhone 9 is 4.7 inch. iPhone 9 is available in 8GB RAM with the maximum storage of 256GB with 4K resolution HD camera. iPhone 9 is available in 3 colors: red, black and white. iPhone 9 is totally waterproof with fireproof update. Apple introduced iPhone 9 with fingerprint and face lock. If we compare iPhone 9 with iPhone 6, 7 or 8, then there is hundred of features which is not yet available in iPhone 6, 7 or 8 but available in iPhone 9. The price of iPhone 9 is starting from $399 to $549. So guys, this is all about iPhone 9. Basically, I think iPhone is gonna be mad because he is making the same phone which is actually made it. So I request to Apple company, please make something new. So guys, if you like this video, make sure you're supporting me by subscribing. Take care, see you in next video. Peace out.